Hello everyone, we are now at Devil's Punchbowl Conservation Area. This waterfalls is famous for many different colored rock layers which you can see from the bottom of the falls. Devil's Punchbowl is located in Hamilton, so it's about an hour drive from Toronto. There's a $5 parking lot beside the waterfalls. And close to the waterfalls, there's a famous market called Punchbowl Market. This market is known for their cakes, cookies and pies. We are now at Punchbowl Lookout. We can see the spectacular view of Stoney Creek and Hamilton Harbour from this lookout point. So let's enjoy the bird's eye view from this Devil's Punchbowl. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our videos, then please do subscribe to our ES Studio channel and click the like button and also comment below if you have any suggestions. Thank you.